Understand computer vision. Computer vision is an area of AI that deals with visual processing. Let's explore some of the possibilities that computer vision brings. The Seeing AI app is a great example of the power of computer vision. Designed for the blind and low vision community, the Seeing AI app harnesses the power of AI to open up the visual world and describe nearby people, text, and objects. View the following video to learn more about Seeing AI. You can find it in Google Play Store and App Store.
Seeing AI is a Microsoft research project for people with visual impairments. The app narrates the world around you by turning the visual world into an audible experience. Point your phone's camera, select a channel, and hear a description. The app recognizes saved friends.
Jenny near top right, 3 feet away.
Describes the people around you, including their emotions.
28-year-old female wearing glasses looking happy.
It reads text out loud as it comes into view, like on an envelope.
Kim Lawrence, P.O. Box.
Or a room entrance.
Conference 2005.
Or scan and read documents like books and letters. The app will guide you and recognize the text with its formatting.
Top and left edge is not visible. Hold steady. Lease agreement. This agreement
When paying with cash, the app identifies currency bills.
$20.
When looking for something in your pantry or at the store, use the barcode scanner with audio cues to help you find what you want.
Campbell's tomato soup.
When available, hear additional product details.
Heated microwave bowl on height.
And even hear descriptions of images in other apps like Twitter by importing them into Seeing AI.
A close-up of Bill Gates.
Finally, explore our experimental features like scene descriptions to get a glimpse of the future.
I think it's a young girl throwing a frisbee in the park.
Experience the world around you with the Seeing AI app from Microsoft.
Computer vision models and capabilities. Most computer vision solutions are based on machine learning models that can be applied to visual input from cameras, videos, or images. The following table describes common computer vision tasks. Image classification. Image classification involves training a machine learning model to classify images based on their contents. For example, in a traffic monitoring solution, you might use an image classification model to classify images based on the type of vehicle they contain, such as taxis, buses, cyclists, and so on. Object detection. Object detection machine learning models are trained to classify individual objects within an image and identify their location with a bounding box. For example, a traffic monitoring solution might use object detection to identify the location of different classes of vehicle. Semantic segmentation. Semantic segmentation is an advanced machine learning technique in which individual pixels in the image are classified according to the object to which they belong. For example, a traffic monitoring solution might overlay traffic images with mask layers to highlight different vehicles using specific colors. Image analysis. You can create solutions that combine machine learning models with advanced image analysis techniques to extract information from images, including tags that could help catalog the image or even descriptive captions that summarize the scene shown in the image. Face detection, analysis, and recognition. Face detection is a specialized form of object detection that locates human faces in an image. This can be combined with classification and facial geometry analysis techniques to recognize individuals based on their facial features. Optical character recognition, OCR. Optical character recognition is a technique used to detect and read text in images. You can use OCR to read text in photographs, for example, road signs or storefronts, or to extract information from scanned documents such as letters, invoices, or forms. Computer vision services in Microsoft Azure. You can use Microsoft's Azure AI Vision to develop computer vision solutions. The service features are available for use and testing in the Azure Vision Studio and other programming languages. Some features of Azure AI Vision include image analysis, capabilities for analyzing images and video, and extracting descriptions, tags, objects, and text. Face, capabilities that enable you to build face detection and facial recognition solutions. Optical character recognition, OCR, capabilities for extracting printed or handwritten text from images, enabling access to a digital version of the scanned text.